O great and wise master of Agile, Lord of the retrospective, traveler on the never-ending road of continuous improvement, I come seeking knowledge.
Come forward, little Scrum Master. What is the knowledge you seek today?
Teach me, O Great One, so I may learn. What makes a project complicated?
Project is like journey on plane. It take off, it fly, it land. Sometimes issue arise. Engine, sensor, system. Pilot understand. Pilot is experienced. Pilot think clearly. Problem is solved. Plane land safely.
I understand. But
Patience. Allow me to continue. Now, imagine same issue. But now with many passengers. They enter the cockpit. Many voices. Many questions.
Hey.
Much noise.
Hey, will we crash?
How could this happen?
Not good enough.
This delay is unacceptable.
How could this happen?
Not good enough.
Pilot no longer has focus. What was simple is now complicated. Control must be returned, or plane journey will end.
oh. So there is no solution.
Solution has been provided. But you have not seen. Answer to problem same, whether technical or people. Easier to address early what is simple, rather than fix later what becomes complicated. Whilst it is true, you need not fix what is not broken. Much time can be wasted in fixing what need never have broken. The pilot who sees storm and avoid always delivers smoother journey than the one who chose not to see and now must weather.